Do you know that the way you detangle your hair and the product you use to detangle your hair can be the reason why you are not retaining length, can be the hindrance of your hair growth journey? Yes, so that's why I bring to you the simplest, powerful, natural hair detangler that you can use to grow your hair, detangle your hair without breakage and loosen up those matted knots without painful. Okay, so this natural detangler is okra, and I add some ingredients on it that will make it more effectively, more easy and more beneficial. So please make sure you watch this video to the end so that you not miss this powerful recipe.
I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry.
Our first ingredient is fresh okra. This amount of fresh okra I'll be making use of. You can use more, you can use less, depend on the length and the volume of your hair. So the most important thing you need to do before you start slicing your okra, make sure you wash it very well to remove dirty and impurities. Okay, it's very important. Most people know okra water for hair growth, but what they do not talk about is how powerful it is as a natural hair detangler, especially when people eat in the right way. So today I will show you how I make my own no boiling cold soak okra water detangler with other two powerful ingredients. Mixing it together, it will help soften dry hair, improve more sleep and reduce breakage through detangler. This method is gentle, beginner friendly and perfect for dry, matted, frizz hair. After washing them 2 to 3 times, they are super clean. Next step is to slice it. I'll bring my knife to start slicing it in a small cube. So this slicing, there is no particular method on how to slice it. Okay, slice it anyhow you want to slice it. Okra is rich in vitamin A and C, which help keep the scalp healthy and support faster, strong hair growth. Those vitamins nourish the hair roots and help reduce dryness that lead to breakage. Okra also contain natural proteins and antioxidants that help strengthen weak hair strands, keep the hair less prone to shedding and split end. Okra is natural rich in sleeping. That is why it acts like a natural detangler that softens the hair, loose knots and make combing your hair very easy without pain or pulling off your hair. When used regularly, okra help the hair stay moisturized, flexible and easy to manage, give the hair a smoother feeling and a healthy appearance over time. There are more benefits in okra, and also there are different ways to use this okra to achieve a lot of good benefits on your hair. But on today's video, we are focusing on detangler. Okay, so after dicing my okra, this is what I have so far. So as you can see, that little amount of okra I have, you see quantity I have gotten so far, because once it dice the okra, it multiply. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Next thing I'll do now is to bring my clean jar. Like as I said, I'm doing co-infused method, so I will transfer all the sliced okra into the jar. Next I'll pour in water. The water I'm using is not hot water, is normal room temperature water, and I'll cover it up very tight and I'll place it on the fridge, not freezer, on the fridge. I will allow it to stay for overnight. So once it's the next day, let's see what we'll have. After overnight, this is the next day morning. As you can see, this water is more thicker than earlier. So the reason why I do this co-infused method is to allow the okra to release its natural slimy or jelly without heat coming in contact with it. So once it's the next day, as you can see, this water has turned into thicker slimy or thicker jelly. It's very difficult for the gel to pass through my shifter. So this is one of the best way it can infuse this okra gel without any stress. And please, if you are doing this method, make sure you put it in the fridge. Do not do this without putting it in the fridge, or you can just keep it to allow it to stay like 3 hours or 4 hours, then strain it out. But allow it to stay overnight in the fridge is the best than using it 2 to 3 hours. Okay, I hope you're understanding me. So I'm trying to use my spoon to make sure that I get more gel out of this okra gel, and this okra is still fresh. So at this moment you can go ahead and use it for your deep conditioning, or for your cooking, or you can preserve it in the freezer, okay, for next usage. Okay, so after doing mine, I will keep it aside. I'll preserve it for my deep conditioning treatment. Yes. After straining it, this is the amount of gel I got so far. As you can see, this is jelly, is very thick. This okra water is very thick. This is very simple step to follow and you get good results. Okay, so now let's add those powerful ingredients that will take this okra water detangler to the next level. Help to promote faster hair growth, moisturize your hair, keep your hair super hydrated, and also help your hair to see in moisture. So our first ingredient is Glycerin. Glycerin is very important in this recipe because it helps to draw in moisture into your hair, keep your hair long time moisturized, and also help to keep your hair healthy, especially if you are dealing with dry hair. No matter how you moisturize your hair, you still experience dryness. You don't need to skip Glycerin into this routine. And secondly, we are into winter, so this Glycerin is a whole game changer. Do not skip it. So I just use 1 tablespoon of my Glycerin. So the next ingredient I use is rosemary essential oil. This rosemary essential oil is also very important because it stimulates blood flow to your scalp, promote faster hair growth, and also help to keep your hair super healthy and moisturized. So this Glycerin and essential oil, they are indeed a game changer in this recipe. Do not skip it, okay? They are very important. But in the case you don't have essential oil like rosemary, I can only ask you to change it to tea tree essential oil or peppermint essential oil. This is only 2 essential oil you can change if you don't have rosemary. If you have tea tree, use it, or if you have peppermint, use it. Okay, is indeed a game changer. When you try this recipe, you will be very happy that you do so. So after putting my essential oil and my Glycerin, I mix it up very well. Make sure that they are combined properly into the okra gel. So the next thing, I transfer into my applicator bottle for easy application. So now let me show you how to apply it and how to save your hair from breaking through the detangler, and how you can retain more length after taking down your protective hairstyle. Please and please pay close attention. This session is very sensitive and is very important, so that you start retaining length, because the reason why you're not retaining length may be the way you detangle your hair. So please, I'll break it down in a way that you understand it very well, and if you follow the instruction, believe me, before 6 months you see how your hair will grow. Okay, so first thing you must do before detangle your hair is to walk in session. Don't ever detangle your hair in a hole without working in session. No matter how the sleeping the product is, no matter how the gelling the product is, make sure you work in session so that you can see good results on that product, and also you can retain those inches you have grown in keeping your hair in that long time protective hairstyle. Is very important. So the second thing you must do after session your hair and apply your product in the little section you are working with, make sure you work it in. After working the product in on your hair, next is to do finger detangle before you put comb or your hair brush on your hair. Do not ever first put comb on your hair or your hair brush on your hair will break a whole lot. This is a huge mistake a lot of people are doing and leading them to not seeing growth on their hair, not retaining length on their hair, no matter the growth they have grown on keeping their hair in that long time protected hairstyle. But once they take down their hair, they will see no length retention anymore because of rough detangle. So this is the whole game changer when come for length retention. Okay, make sure you do finger detangle first before you put comb or hair brush on your hair. The reason of the finger detangle first, because your finger can identify where there is knot on your hair, so you can use your finger to separate those knots. Then before you put comb on your hair, in that way you get less shedding, less breakage on your hair. And when you get less breakage and less shedding, equals to longer healthy hair. Okay, this step is very, very important. So the next thing you must do again is to be gentle. Do not rush your detangle session. Okay, make sure you are very, very gentle, because when you are gentle with your hair, then you will not break your hair unnecessary. So if you are not gentle with your hair, no matter the product you use on your hair will still snap out and break off. So make sure you are gentle. And if you don't have time, do not touch your hair, allow your hair to stay. Whenever you have enough time, then you can start detangle your hair. Or if you are not in a good mood, please leave your hair alone. Okay, whenever you're in a good mood and you have enough time to give to your hair, then start detangle your hair, so that you will start retaining length than you rushing detangle your hair, breaking off those growths you have gotten in 2 months, 3 months, 1 month, keeping your hair in a protective hairstyle, applying different products on your hair, and you are seeing the growth on your scalp. But once you take down your protective hairstyle, wash your hair, you will not see the length retention anymore. Please stop that habit this year 2026, so that we can grow our hair more longer, more healthier, and more thicker. Okay, let's be gentle with our hair and let us stop fighting with our hair. Our hair is not our enemy. Please, okay, pamper your hair, love your hair, show your hair the love, so that your hair can also show you love in return by retaining length and having healthy hair. Okay, so these are the most important thing you must do on your detangle session. Okay, it will help you a whole lot to retain length, see more length retention, grow more longer hair, that voluminous hair you desire. It will help you a whole lot. If you start practicing this method, you will see game changer on your hair. I'm not capping, this is the honest truth. Okay, please, this is very, very important. After detangle each session, make sure you twist your hair away or you braid your hair away. It's very, very important, so that those ones that have detangle will remain detangle. Okay, so after doing all that in the whole of your hair, next thing you must do is scalp massage, so that you can get the whole benefit of this particular recipe we are using today, so that you can get all the good nutrients and good benefits of this Okra Water detangler, Glycerin, and Rosemary essential oil. It's very, very important you massage your scalp, okay, so that it can get good results on your hair. Okay, so after massaging your scalp, the next thing you will do is cover up your hair with your shower cap, then allow your hair to stay like 30 minutes or an hour. You can go ahead and rinse it off and start your wash day. But if you're experiencing a lot of dryness, brittle hair, or your hair is so lifeless, I would advise you to leave it overnight. Okay, after doing the treatment on your hair in the evening, sleep with the hair treatment on your hair, so the next day in the morning you can go ahead and wash your hair. So leaving it overnight, it will penetrate more deeply on your hair so that it can get that hydrated, that moisturized on your hair. It will help you a whole lot to save you from that dryness and that lifeless hair and that brittle hair. I'm not joking. If you experience a lot of dry hair, try this method, leaving it on your hair overnight. The next day you see what will happen. Okay, it will help you a whole lot. But if you are using this for the good general of your hair, just leave it for 30 to 1 hour, then go ahead and rinse it off and start your wash day routine. The sweetness part of this okra water detangler, once you apply it on your hair, you feel that softness, that smoothness, and that easy manageable on your hair. Your hair will feel so manageable, so healthy, so soft, and so moisturized. Okay, so try this. This is a game changer. And once you rinse it out, you get that natural shiner. I'm not joking. Okay, try it and be very happy. How often should you use this okra detangler? You can use it as often as you want to use it. It's natural ingredient, it's natural detangler. It don't have any after effects, and also it's not a heavy product. Okay, so if you always wash your hair once in a week, use it. Or you always wash your hair once in 2 weeks, please also use it. Okay, and detangle your hair and wash your hair. But if your hair is in protective hairstyle like cornrows, mini braid, mini twins, you can also prepare it and pour it all over your hair, massage your scalp, and then cover up your hair for 1 hour. Then remove the shower cap and rinse your hair off. Continue with your wash day. This will prevent breakage on your hair. It will prevent excessive shedding of your hair, and also it will prevent dryness on your hair. So whenever you're taking down that protective hairstyle, you will see a lot of huge difference on your hair, both to volume, length retention, thickness, and moisturize. Your hair will stay very hydrated, and the take down process will be very easy for you. I'm not joking. Try it. Okay, and be very happy that you do so. So this is the amount of hair I lost so far after the tangle. This is my full head of hair. This is a little amount of shedding I got so far. This is so amazing. Okay, you can even get lesser shedding. Just learn how to be gentle with your hair, and you see that growth happen. You see that length retention happen. This okra water detangler is a game changer. Please start now and start cooperating it on your hair. Be consistent with it, and you'll be very happy that you do so. Okay, I hope you find this video very helpful. Please let me know in comment section below. And also, if you be trying this okra water method, comment okra detangle in comment section below. Okay, and I will know that I will be giving this method a try. So guys, please do well to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe for more great content like this. And also liking the video and share the video help the growth of the channel, and also help YouTube to push this video to wider audience, so that it will reach a lot of people that are looking for something like this that will help them for length retention. Okay, so guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.